Hi guys, Tech James here. In this video we will be taking a look at the GB Station. So this is basically a clone GameBoy Advance that runs NES games. So this was sent to me by a company called dd4.com, so shout out to them because these videos really help out the channel. So I'll leave a link to their website in the description if you guys wish to purchase one. But anyway, let's get into the unboxing. So let's just take a quick look at the box quickly. It says GB Station up here. Apparently it's got a really good backlit screen, and it says light here, so I guess it's the light version. So you've got some Mario Kart DS, I guess, sort of theme going on, some Super Mario 3D World. That's just the back of the box, so you can play all these types of games and stuff. It just says all the features right here. So let's just get into the unboxing right now and see what's inside. Okay, so very simple packet. It just comes with the charger. We've got a game cartridge here by the looks of it. Here is that the battery? Yep. And then here is the console itself. So as you can see, very much like the Game Boy Advance SP. It's actually, the plastic quality is actually pretty good. I kind of like the buttons at the back actually because they're really clicky. So let's just take a quick look at the console. So we've got charging port there. That is the AV out port, so you can plug it into your TV. Obviously battery port, where the game cartridge goes. That is a volume port, sort of wheel, I guess. Power button right here, and then obviously the hinge for the screen. And yeah, it's actually it's got a decent amount of weight to it. The plastic doesn't feel too cheap. The button's pressing quite nicely. So yeah, it's actually feeling pretty good. So let's just have a look at the other stuff. So here is the cartridge. Is that, oh that's it, I can't remember what that game's called, let me know in the comments. Is it Jack and Daxter or something? I'm pretty sure it's something like that. And then we've got a battery right here. Rechargeable battery. And then we have got the charger, which actually looks a lot like the real Game Boy Advance SP charger, so I'll be testing that out actually because that's kind of interesting. So let's just leave the charger to the side because apparently this comes fully charged. So let's open up the back and put in the battery. Here it is. Just goes in there that way around. Then we can just put the door back on. No screws to take off the door, so that's always a nice feature. So apparently you can play this with a game or you can just boot it up without actually using the cartridge. So first of all, let's just power it on. So hopefully you guys can see that well. So as you can see, the screen is actually very good, a lot better than the Game Boy Advance screen. This only plays NES games, so let's have a look. So we've got Mega Man 5, very good game. Street Gangs, not sure I've heard of that one. Silkworm, nope. Super Mario 3, so that's a pretty good game. Snow Bros, don't remember that. Zombie Nation, we've got the original. Let's play the original Super Mario Bros. And give this a test. One player, let's turn some sound up as well. So here's the sound. Let's just put it on the loudest setting right now. Alright, so that is a lot louder than I expected and very distorted, so I'm just going to have to mute it now. But anyway, let's just play the game. So the sound quality isn't too bad. Obviously if you put it on the highest setting, that was very loud, so I guess that's why it became distorted. But other than that, you know, you can definitely play it with decent sound, so that's always a cool thing. So yeah, the gameplay is pretty good. The buttons seem to be okay. There doesn't seem to be any lag or anything like that. Let's just try the shoulder buttons and see if they do anything. Okay, so this one seems to be basically A because I jump, so that's kind of interesting. So yeah, this game seems to be running fine, so there's no problems with this. The colours look pretty good as well, and if I tilt the screen, you can still sort of see what's going on, so the screen is of pretty good quality. Anyway, so we've got start and select down here as well. Let's see what they do. I think they just pause the game, so if I just jump like that. And we've got select, which doesn't seem to do anything, I don't think. We've also got a reset button right here. Now normally on the Game Boy Advance SP, that is where the sort of backlit button would be. So if we press this, it just resets the console, and now we are back at the main menu. So let's just take a look at some other games. We've got Mega Man 5. So apparently there's 99999 in one, which is crazy. So let's just go to the last game. Yep, it's true. There is over 900,000. That's insane. So I think maybe some of these are clones. I'm not sure. Oh, I think we already had that one. Was it? Where was it? Street Gangs, yeah, I think we already had that one. So if you're into NES games and you want a portable device to play it on, this is probably really worth getting because the price is very cheap as well. So let's just play a random game here. Let's play Slalom. I have no idea. Apparently it's by Nintendo. Oh, it's like a skiing game. What do we have to do? Okay, that's pretty cool. Let's just turn some audio on quick before there you go. So let's just reset this. Now let's power off the system and put the cartridge in. So here's the cartridge and it just goes in there. So obviously this doesn't run Game Boy Advance games because that's way too small of a port. Let's just plug this in real quick. Okay, so I don't think it pushes right in. I think it just sticks out a bit like that. But now if we go onto the console and power it back on, as you can see, loads of different games. So now we've got over 800,000 and these, let me turn the sound down, and these games are all different. So if we got Kung Fu, let's play this one. Actually, I think I saw, was that Bomberman? Oh, it's got Bomberman, that's a good game. So yeah, let's just reset that. So yeah, now let's just compare this console to the actual Game Boy Advance SP. So here is the original Game Boy Advance SP and both of the backlit screens are on, so you can obviously see this one is a lot brighter. Yeah, very similar in design. As you can see, it's definitely where they got the idea from. This one's actually slightly thicker. You can probably see it just there at the side. But yeah, pretty much the same size, just a bit thicker. So obviously it doesn't have the link cable and instead it is replaced with the AV cable. So let me just try the charging cable quickly. So here is the charging cable. Does this work on my original Game Boy Advance SP? And yes, it does. So that is very cool. So I haven't actually got a USB charging cable, so that is actually pretty good. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. This console is actually pretty cool. I mean, I would definitely buy this over the NES Classic if I was more interested in playing the games. But yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. More information can be found on DD4's website. I will leave a link to it in the description so you guys can check it out. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.